Good morning, kindergartners. Thank you for everybody who joined this morning. You will have to join with that nickname Just Judy's in the future. I can try to send a link in the email the morning of. I want to meet every day at 10 o'clock. Moving forward, I want consistency for myself, for my child, and hopefully for your kiddos. We used to go to school every day, so let's still meet every day. I'm here to help. If you can't make it, that's fine. I'm hoping to see you, though, every day at 10 o'clock. Check in. How's it going? Anything to share? And do a little work together. Today, I think, went very well. Let me know if you have any feedback. Our sight word of the weekend is FOR, for. What do you want for breakfast? And the number I want you to create is the number 16. I want to show you one more time. I'll probably show you a couple more times, but how to upload. So if you are uploading a picture or video of your child doing the number of the day, we'll go to the math folder. Math folder. We'll scroll down. This is from the other day. There is the picture of my counting of 18 and I shared this morning Julian's counting of the number 18. I hope to see some more. And I will add another folder for the number 16. When you do the sight word, you want to go into the course Reading and Writing, Language Arts. Let's go to ELA, which stands for English Language Arts. There's the sight word of the day. I have uploaded a picture of my writing for the sight word of the day. You click where it says add a comment and upload the picture or video. I really hope we start seeing more friends, and that way other students can see each other, and it will be a great place to share what we're doing. This will be for the sight word and number of the week. However, if you want to share your child reading the decodable book in the packet, this is a great place for it. Can't wait to see you. Have a great weekend. See you Monday at 10.